Tired of manually changing fonts in Word? Here's how to set up a keyboard shortcut for your favorite font. Open Microsoft Word. Click File, then select Options. In the Word Options window, choose Customize Ribbon. Click Keyboard Shortcuts Customize at the bottom. In the Categories list, select Fonts. In the Commands list, find the font name you want. Click inside the Press New Shortcut Key box and press your desired keys. Click Assign and then close. Now you can switch fonts instantly. Like and subscribe for more quick Word tips.